Imagine standing on a shore. You look out at a vast, dark ocean. You place a message inside a bottle, seal it, and toss it into the waves. You don't know who will find it, or when. You only know that it carries a piece of you, a story of your world, out into the great unknown. This is the story of Voyager 2. It is our message in a bottle, cast into the cosmic ocean. Launched in 1977, this small, determined spacecraft has traveled farther and longer than any other. It carries the sounds of Earth. It carries the sights of Earth. It carries a greeting to whatever might be out there. It carries a greeting to whoever might be out there. But it also sent messages back to us, whispers from the dark that have taken decades to fully understand. This is not just a machine of metal and wires. It is a testament to human curiosity, the embodiment of our deepest urge to explore. Built by people who knew they might not see its journey end, it sails on for us all. What was the mission? It was called the Grand Tour, a beautiful, elegant idea. In the late 1970s, a rare alignment meant a spacecraft could slingshot from one giant to the next. It was a game of cosmic billiards. NASA built 2 spacecraft, Voyager 1 and Voyager 2, our robotic ambassadors to the outer solar system. Voyager 1 raced by Jupiter and Saturn to look at Titan. Voyager 2 took the longer road to Uranus and Neptune. Only Voyager 2 visited all 4 giants. Its data is priceless, a consistent set of measurements across the entire outer system. The most advanced computers had less memory than a modern digital watch. Data went to an 8-track recorder. They anticipated problems decades ahead and built autonomy so a ghost from the dawn of the space age could still speak. Voyager 2 did more than take pictures. It tasted space, magnetic fields, charged particles, plasma waves, cosmic rays. It gave us ground truth, reality for our theories to meet. Every planet proved more complex, more dynamic, more surprising. The Grand Tour wasn't just a tour, it was a revolution in planetary science. Today, its whisper travels for more than 12 billion miles. A signal takes over 18 hours to arrive. Our first stop is Jupiter, the king of planets. We knew the Great Red Spot, a storm larger than Earth. But Voyager 2's 1979 flyby opened the door to its moons. Europa looked different, smooth, bright, crisscrossed with dark lines like a cracked eggshell. The official story suggested a liquid water ocean beneath the ice. Newly released plasma wave data shows brief, faint, distinct magnetic signatures coming from Europa, not just Jupiter's field. Reanalysis with modern computing points to transient plumes of water vapor erupting from the surface. Not just hints of an ocean, evidence that it vents into space. Back then, the signals were weak and puzzling. Announcing it seemed premature. So they archived the anomaly. Why mind-blowing? Where there is liquid water, especially mixing with a rocky core and tidal energy, life becomes plausible. Europa's ocean seems dynamic, churned by Jupiter's tides. A geologically alive world. Could it be biologically alive too? The environments echo Earth's deep-sea vents. Plumes mean we might sample without drilling miles of ice, simply fly through and collect. Voyager 2, the old explorer, left us a treasure map, pointing to a place where we might find one of humanity's greatest discoveries. After Jupiter, Voyager 2 sailed on to Saturn, the Lord of the Rings. It confirmed a breathtakingly complex system of icy and rocky particles, a miniature solar system in orbit. Declassified UV data tells a different story. Ring rain, a significant drizzle of water particles falling into Saturn's upper atmosphere. Not a slow leak, a downpour. The rings are disappearing faster than we thought. Strange at the time, set aside as possible instrument error. Later confirmed with Cassini. The beautiful rings are temporary. In a few 100 million years, they may be gone. Another secret, Iapetus, famous for its stark two-tone face. Newly analyzed detector data shows unusual dust patterns near the flyby. Beyond coding from Phoebe, Iapetus appears to sweat a tar-like residue from within. Sun-warmed dark ice sublimates, leaving carbon-rich residue that impacts loft and resettle, slowly painting one hemisphere. A self-perpetuating process. A moon painting itself over eons. Voyager 2's hidden data reframed Iapetus as an artist of its own visage, a cosmic act of slow self-creation. Voyager 2's journey to the ice giants Uranus and Neptune was a leap into the true unknown. In 1986, it found Uranus tipped on its side, rolling like a barrel. Its magnetic field was off-center and tilted by about 60 degrees. Declassified analysis shows the field isn't just tilted, it's chaotic. It appears to open and close daily as the planet spins. For part of the day, the shield weakens. Solar wind pours in, then it snaps back. A flickering magnetosphere unlike any other. This behavior explains strange auroras Voyager 2 observed, evidence of violent dynamic space weather. By 1989 it reached Neptune, expected to be cold and calm. Instead it found the fastest winds in the solar system, over 1,200 miles per hour. A great dark spot, a storm akin to Jupiter's, churned in the blue. The declassified trove highlights Triton's hotspots over a -391 Fahrenheit landscape. Cryovolcano clues. Not molten rock, but ice volcanoes. Nitrogen plumes rising miles high. Likely powered by tidal heat, Triton is not dead. It is active, dynamic, alive at the frozen edge. After the planets, Voyager 2 pushed toward the heliopause, the edge of our sun's influence. In November 2018, it crossed into interstellar space. Declassified plasma data revealed a superheated region before the boundary. A metaphorical wall of fire, jumping from 20,000 to over 50,000 degrees. No model predicted it. Scientists were baffled. Energy may convert to heat via reconnection or shocks. A turbulent, dynamic, fiery frontier. Voyager 1 confirmed the phenomenon in a different location. Not a fluke, but a fundamental structure. Why kept under wraps? Not conspiracy, rigor, and limitations. Signals were faint, ambiguous, at instrument limits. Like a blurry photo in a drawer, reopened decades later with better tools to reveal clear detail. Modern algorithms turned outliers into repeatable patterns. Europa's plumes, Uranus's flicker, the heliopause wall. Why now? The mission nears its twilight. Its story deserves completion while the craft still whispers. And because we're going back, Europa, Uranus, these findings are a roadmap for what to build and where to look. It reflects a shift toward transparency, sharing uncertainty, debate, and reanalysis with everyone. A hidden ocean venting into space, rings that rain themselves away, a flickering shield, a fiery edge to our sun's realm. These shift our textbooks and our sense of ourselves. A species of explorers, children of a star, just beginning to cross the cosmic ocean.